Hi, everyone. My name is Bernadette, and today I'm excited to show you how to create a professional website using Canva and secure a custom domain. This is a game changer for your private tour business, helping you establish an online presence, attract more clients, and build trust. Let's dive in. Why a website is important. A website is your digital storefront, open 24/7. It helps you reach a wider audience, especially travelers researching online. For private tour companies, it's essential for showcasing services, sharing customer reviews, and offering easy booking options. Let's create one together. Step 1, setting up your website with Canva. Start by signing up or logging into Canva. Search for website templates and choose one that fits your brand. Customize it with your business details by adding a brief introduction of your company and services on the homepage. In the About Us section, highlight your mission and team. For the services page, list your tour packages with photos and descriptions. Finally, create a contact page where you can add your contact details and a booking form. Use Canva's drag and drop tools to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your style. When you're happy with the design, publish it as a website. If you have Canva Pro, you can publish your site with a free domain provided by Canva. Alternatively, you can purchase a domain directly through Canva, making it even more convenient to get your site live. Step 2, getting a domain name. If you prefer not to buy a domain directly in Canva, you can visit a domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Search for a domain name that matches your business, like icareridetours.com. Purchase the domain and follow the registrar's instructions to connect it to your Canva website. Canva's support page offers clear steps to guide you. Benefits of a professional website for your tour company. Having a website with a custom domain makes your business look reliable and professional. It increases your online visibility, simplifies bookings for clients, and builds credibility by showcasing reviews and testimonials. A well-designed website can set you apart in a competitive market. And there you have it. Creating a website with Canva and securing a domain is simple and powerful. Take this step today to elevate your business's online presence and attract more clients. If you found this helpful, please like this video. If you'd like us to build your website, feel free to reach out to us at drivelogicfleet@gmail.com. We'd be happy to help.